channel, or welcome to if you're new. My name is Natalia Janae. It has been a long time since I have posted, but today y'all, we are working with AmandaHair company. Amanda sent me a 24-inch body wave closure wig, and y'all, the lace is transparent on this wig, but I have already bleached the knots and styled the wig. Yeah, I put some curls in there, girl. Y'all see that? Don't pink up curls. Don't play with her, y'all. But anyways, girl, I am going on a date. Whew, child, I don't know if he crazy or not, but I'm just see when I get there. But y'all, so let's just get into this video because I'm gonna talk too much. So I'm gonna do my ball cap, and y'all know with closures you don't do the full, you know, ball cap. You just only place the glue in the middle. So that's what I'm about to do, and I use Bold Hold active glue in the pink bottle. It's the best one. But girl, what you been up to? Tell me what you been up to. Let me know down below in the comments what y'all been doing. Y'all, I really miss y'all. I have been gone so long. I have been gone way too long. I was gonna do a full get ready with me, but y'all, I was not gonna have time. Like, I'm kind of rushing right now. I think it's about 7 o'clock, and we supposed to meet at like 10. Yes, I said meet because ain't no nigga coming to pick me up from my house and I don't even know you. You know what I'm saying? So that's what's going on right now. I don't even know what restaurant we're going to. I have to call him and see, but y'all, I'm a little nervous because really, I don't know, like, I'm not good in relationships. I'm just gonna let this dry or whatever, but I'm not good with relationships or dating or dealing with people of any kind of person of that matter. I'm just playing. I don't know what to say, y'all. I'm still in this couch dry or whatever, but like I was saying, y'all, I'm real nervous. I don't really know what I'm gonna wear. Probably some thought shit though. Probably some naked shit. It's always like, I don't know. It's gonna be cute though. I know I'm gonna be cute or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my little outfit and everything before I leave. I'm probably gonna do like a full, like, what is it called, outfit of the day type thing before I leave. And I hope I can get me some cute pictures tonight too. So yeah, all right, so my cap is still kind of drying, but I'm gonna go in with my makeup in the shade RDF 10 by Ruby Kisses. It's a cream makeup. I love Ruby Kisses makeup. Like, yeah, this is the best one to put on your lace, and they have so many different shades, y'all. But see, I'm just gonna lightly brush it across there. Tonight, try something new tonight. This drink got me feeling right. Okay, y'all, so now that my cap is fully dry, I'm just gonna cut directly in the middle. Ooh, look at them brows, girl. Don't play with her. Them brows look good. Okay, and then you're gonna wanna cut as close as possible to the glue line. And I'm looking over here because I can't see right there. The mirror is a big mirror, but my ring light and everything is blocking my view, so I have to kind of look off to the side. But you want to cut as close as possible to where that glue line at. Yeah. But like I was saying, you don't have to do a full cap when you're doing the when you have a closure. It's just you want to just focus the glue in the middle. And so that's what I did. And everything else, you can just cut off the excess cap. You know what I mean? Matter. You don't need that. You just cut off the excess cap. don't talk about my hair. It's in some braids, but them braids, it done, my hair, I got a lot of new growth. So y'all know how that is. But now that I got my little cap, I'm gonna take that same makeup I just used and I'm gonna really just focus it towards the front area that I didn't get. But you don't have to really OD with your makeup. Y'all, I hope I have me a good time tonight, y'all. I just really hope I have a good time tonight. If I don't, y'all will be hearing about it. So this is what the inside look like after the knots were bleached. You guys can see the knots are bleached really well. I'm just gonna take that same makeup and I'm gonna put it inside the wig. Now you're gonna take this freeze spray and you're gonna wanna spread it in the inside just to coat it. And I mean, not just to coat it down. I ain't bring my dryer in here. Let me go get my dryer. So now that it's dry, I'm just gonna put the wig on. And this hair that's out is my baby hair, obviously. Okay. And y'all, this lace is really good. As you guys can see, it looks really good up against my skin. I love this lace. And the hairline, it was already plucked when it came. I did not pluck anything out this wig. I'm just gonna take my little baby hairs and throw them to the back, get them out my way, and I'm gonna clean my skin first with alcohol, 70% alcohol. So now that my skin is clean, I'm just gonna pull my wig back down to where I'm gonna have my wig at, where it's gonna be placed. And I'm just gonna create a little dotted line across the hairline, just so I know exactly where I want to place the glue at. Now that I got my little line, you see that? Now you know exactly where to place your glue. And y'all, I guess I think I'm just gonna do 2 layers today. Hey, I'm probably gonna wear this wig for the rest of the week, maybe. I don't know. It depends on how I'm feeling.
I put a couple niggas in their place. Really snap every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to stay pose with a mask and a cape. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away.
So now that my second layer has turned clear, what I'm gonna do is pull this lace down to where the glue stops, the glue line. Wherever that glue line stops, that's where you want to place your hairline, if that makes sense. And now you just want to comb back. Since I already cut my baby hairs, I'm just gonna go on ahead and cut my lace off. I'm just going ahead and cut that lace off. And I'm only using this little tip of the eyebrow razor, so I can get the best cut. Okay. And of course it's not melted yet. So now I'm just gonna pull those hairs back down that I am gonna use for my baby hairs. I'm probably gonna end up adding some more, but I'm gonna take my freeze spray. So we can get that shit melted, honey. We want it melted down. Then I'm gonna take my elastic band and I'm gonna tie it as tight as I can for the best melt. Okay, so now that that's tied down, now I'm just gonna take my curls out.
Bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Have to slap the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I set the moon. We ain't even make it.
Okay, y'all, so all of the pins are out. So now I'm just gonna take my wide tooth comb to comb out the curls or whatever. Make sure all my pins are out. But oh no, there's a pin right there. Just gonna take it. Woo! Take it. And whoa. What?
Go, go. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on it, these niggas
These are my little butterfly curls. Yeah, I be doing the most fucking dramatic curls. Okay, so while I'm trying to figure my curls out, I'm just gonna let me cut this extra hair right here that's on me. I'm about to straighten up my part in a second. I'm gonna hot comb a little bit, then I'm gonna straighten up my part. Ooh, that motherfucker hot.
I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Got the ass to the floor.
So now I'm just gonna take my black spray and get this part together.
I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the start in the bottom bed. Now you want to shoot with your head in the bottom bed.
My part is together. I'm going to take that same makeup. I'm using this one, by the way. But I really can use the other one. Shit. Didn't mean to do that. Oh. That thing's so crazy, turning and spinning me. Okay, so now I'm about to do my baby hairs. I'm gonna take my edge control and my edge brush, and we're gonna get the word.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead. All my raps on the facts, they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out the state.
Okay, that's not giving me what I want. So now I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna squirt just a little tiny bit on my hand, like that. And I'm gonna dab it right here. Now I'm gonna take my eyebrow razor. I'm just gonna. Now we're gonna swoop again. Okay, and that's my little baby hair or whatever. So now we're gonna do the same thing to this side.
Little nigga, it's another state case. Very round motherfucker, case bank trying to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance.
And this side is probably gonna come out better than the other side, but it's always like that with me. One side is always better than the other side. See, I just like that off real. I might cut it a little bit like I did the other side. I'm gonna cut it just a tad bit in the front.
This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the boot. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her I been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Had to slap the top off, it's just
this is the look. I guess it's what we. Y'all, look at that Mel. Ah, don't play with her. And don't play with that girl. Period. Look at that. This is Hair Amanda. Shout out to them. Thank you guys so much for sending me this wig. And yeah, girl, I'm about to go get ready. I'm about to change and then I'll be back so you guys can see my outfit. But comment down below if you guys would wear this wig. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see my outfit like that because it's naked down there. But here's a little gist, y'all. And here's my hair, so fucking pretty. I feel like a little Barbie, but I am the Barbie, so yeah. Y'all already know. Y'all know how I'm coming. Y'all already know how I'm coming. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. See you in my next video.
I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty on go.